Bro, I'm gonna have a car. Look at how it's shaped. No colors, no blacks. Oops, I'm recording. Don't do them like that, right? Guys, guess what time it is? 3:26. And you may ask, why am I dressed? Well, we're going to the airport. I know, how exciting. I actually love waking up in the morning to go to, What? I love waking up early in the morning to go to the airport. I think it's better than going to the airport at night. This is the fit. Got a Fairview A&M. Crocs, of course. Crocs are a must when you're going to the airport. Now, my dad doesn't like Crocs, but hey, what can I say? I did my haircut myself, yo. It doesn't look too great, but you know, I'm still learning. What is y'all's favorite cereal? To be honest, I like Frosted Flakes. I know it's kind of basic, but they're good. And then I also like, what's it called? They're in the pantry somewhere.
Honey Smacks?
Huh?
Honey Smacks?
Yeah. So get yourself some cereal. Come get one of these. Oh yeah, what's that? Doesn't matter, it's still fun. If you like orange juice more than apple juice, stop watching. Cause get off my page. What is your problem? Shit, turn the light off.
Cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody.
About to go through baggage claim, yo. I wanna do a montage, but that's just so awkward, you know? Having to go and set up the phone somewhere. Like, I don't know, I just don't, I can't get with it. But hey, some people can do it, I just can't. Bro, yeah, I know that those TikToks where it's like, when you get, god dang. This freaking thing is so, bro, I hate it. Now we made it through the hardest part. Ooh, they have one of those. You could walk on it. Doesn't matter. Look guys, I have one of those. Since you say it's slow, you walk right there and we'll see who's faster. That's what I thought. Go play. Go play, Rylan, go play. Just the right age group. You know, people get on me for going like this, being dramatic with my Apple Watch, but I mean, what am I supposed to do? Tell me, please tell me. Especially when I have a long sleeve and they say, just use your other arm. That's more work, in my opinion. Did I guys tell you that a year ago today, we would have been coming back from the US Virgin Islands. We would have been coming back from the US Virgin Islands. That was my favorite trip ever. The experience and everything, it was just so good. Oh, and I didn't tell you, just a few seconds ago when we were at baggage claim and whatnot, I finally got to use my ID. Well, it's my learner's permit, but I got to use it and it worked. And I was like, what? And we're almost at our gate now, so. We ordered 5 minutes and look, there's literally nobody here. We board at 5:05. Because I want to sit in that business class.
Who lives in Nebraska?
For real, who lives in Nebraska, South Dakota, North Dakota?
South Dakota, I can see that. North Dakota, no, North Dakota, I can see.
When I think of those states, I think of that one show. Oh, South Park. That's
Colorado.
I don't care. That's what I think when I think of South Dakota. Bro, they changed our gate, right? So my dad, he was like, dang, they changed the gate. I have all my stuff laid out. My phone is charging. My camera's charging. Then he just gets up. So now they're way up there. I don't know if you act like can't focus now. They're way up there, and I'm over here. Damn.
Now, did y'all screenshot those?
I did.
Okay, remember, screenshots don't update.
Okay.
That was from yesterday. That was the plan.
Exactly
where the planes got parked are a different story.
That's exactly what I did. Yeah, good evening.
Persian eyes, but she's from Nicaragua. Thought she was Persian love.
We're in St. Louis right now, and this is just a layover. We're going to Omaha. Next flight is at 10:10, and we're at Burger King. What are you taking? Some medicine?
I don't want people to watch me eat.
I just made a purchase at the St. Louis airport. I bought some headphones. They're like $250. We're gonna do an unboxing. It's gonna be the worst unboxing you've ever seen, but we have this thing right here, wireless noise canceling stereo headset. We're about to see. I've been needing some noise canceling headphones for a while. That's what it looks like. It does feel, I watched a video, they said it feels plasticky. It does feel plasticky, but you know what? It's fine. I can wear them like this. Okay, so I could barely hear myself. I don't know how loud I'm speaking. Why are they so wide? They work pretty good. I'm happy with my purchase. We're in Omaha now, and we're about to get our car. No, we're leaving this place. I really like this place. It's a good place. All the sweatpants I have, my phone always sits really weird in it. So like, look, I just fixed it, but it was just like this earlier. It was really sitting sideways like that, and it's, I don't know, it's just weird. I need better sweatpants, that's all I'm trying to say. I can't believe I really bought these headphones at a St. Louis airport. Where would I be? Oh God, hey. What? Hey.
Wow!
Hallelujah. Hey, praise the Lord Jesus Christ. It's day 2. And today, I don't know where we're going. I forget. There's all these states are so close by together. I just don't know where we're going at this point. But
We're in the middle of 2 states.
I know we literally are. Literally, if you go over to those trees, that's literally like Nebraska or something. And we're in South Dakota right now. It's all so scrambled together.
Technically, we're
Either we're in Iowa or South Dakota. I don't know. Hey, where's my wallet? Hold on, yeah, I gotta find my wallet. The hat looks crooked. Never mind. We're leaving out of the room. What?
You want the rest of this? You want the rest of this?
111 for an extra
not good.
5
you know?
How do I know that my Siri doesn't work?
Wow!
It worked?
Siri doesn't work, right?
No, I'll tell her. Hey Siri, what's 5 plus 5?
She worked?
She
Yes.
did. My Siri doesn't work though. Just like because my thing doesn't work. Look.
What thing?
Say something. Oh, so now it wants to work.
Lying.
I'm not lying. Why would I lie about my Siri not working? We're here to take a picture by a sign. The South Dakota sign. Look at how it's shaped. How long do we have to wherever we're going?
But we got an hour.
Taylor Swift was on the radio, right? And we were at a Walmart, and he said, I like Taylor Swift, she's good. We told him to sing a song. Tell me why he said, take it off, take it off, take it off, take it off. Take it off is crazy. That'd be a completely different song. Bro, just say up. Fly me to the moon, play among the stars. Will I get copyrighted if I sing it because I sound just like him?
No, Pfeiffer, no. No, you're gonna get copyrighted.
No, I'm not. If I cut through it, I'm not going to. Through drought and famine, natural disaster. I'm gonna show y'all what I really know how to sing. Those innocent eyes, makes it easy to do.
If they only knew.
Here we go, here we go. Doing what you're doing, just don't lose yourself along the way. No. Thank you. Thank you. I used to know. Thank you for listening. That's the end of the video. I'm just kidding. I'm gonna sing this one too. Don't. Hit me, see what happens.
Stop!
I might get a ticket tonight. Trying to make it to your crib. The way I'm driving, baby, off on me, your tulips on my face. Listen tonight. I am. What are you doing? Okay, I have the luxury of taking forever.
Shut the window, I'm right outside. Come down and let me in. Forbidden fruit all in my mind. Ooh. I'm gonna leave my charger here. I know I'm gonna regret that, but
It'll be alright. Let's go, y'all. So I wasn't gonna film in this mall, right? Cause it just looks terrible from the outside. Like, look, this is the only little good part. Then you walk in and look how nice it looks. Whenever y'all go to
That's the first time I've seen a Lululemon without a big line.
Rylan, that's because there's not many people here. I thought we established that.
There's a lot of white people here, so
And you should go in there and get you something. Don't pretend like it was that long ago, Rylan.
Because it was.
It wasn't. That was your 6th grade year.
Exactly. That was a long time ago.
Rylan, don't act like 6th grade was.
2 years.
She's barely going into the 8th grade and she's gonna talk about it's been 2 years.
2 years.
It's not been 2 years, it's been more than that.
It's been 2 years. Exactly, it's been more than that.
What?
You said it's been more than that.
I didn't say it's been more than that. Mom?
All up in my space.
Distance?
distance.
I wanna go there.
You have to bring no truck. But you know they ain't.
I know.
They not letting nobody color me.
There sure aren't any colors. No colors, no blacks.
Feeling in the best state, South Dakota right now.
Yes, we're in the best state right now.
No, we're not. We're in the most.
Vlogged or not?
Am I actually editing them?
Definitely not.
Well, my school vlogs, I don't know what to tell you at this point because I just can't do my school vlogs, but
Like a bunch of stuff at school and you've never posted it.
I know I filmed so much stuff and I just don't have the energy to edit. And now that it's summer, I have stuff filmed from the last day of school and stuff, but I don't know if I want to edit that. And plus I already started editing this video that you're watching right now.
The traveling.
Yeah, my traveling video. It's not that interesting, but my editing is good, or it's good enough for you to keep watching.
Ew.
What?
Your face.
It's funny when you post like relatable content.
What's relatable? What did I post?
Sometimes you post something, I just laugh at you for like 30 seconds.
Oh, that's what I aspire to do. On my lock journey, y'all. Not again. I've already had locks twice in my life.
Love. Your cries that can be heard from far and wide. It's only the two of us. Everything I need between those thighs.
That's the silhouette challenge song.
How did you know that?
All that be on TikTok. That's the only part I ever hear. A lot of cussing. That is our best song though.
She said, "You keep dreaming. I don't believe it. No, girl."
There's these white people and they're looking at us like they ain't never seen no black people before. It's actually hilarious. They're like, Negroes here? Ooh, y'all. Let me tell you about something. So guess what? Let me make sure I'm not getting my shirt dirty. Anyways, in August, I'm getting my license, right? Really, I could have got it in July, my birthday. My birthday is July 5th, but I'm getting my license in August, and I really just like thought about it. Like, life is like, oh my gosh, life is really like coming. It's like life is lifing, you know? Like, to be honest, I was thinking about 2 weeks ago, where I'm gonna have a car. I have to pay my insurance though, but like, I've been working. I worked like all week, and I made lots of money. I just really like thought like I can really go anywhere I want. Almost basically I can go anywhere I want. I mean, yeah, I'd have to ask, but like if my friends want to go to movies, I'll be like, okay, let's go. I'm gonna hop in my car. And I've been driving since I was like 13 too, so I'm not a bad driver. My sister can, what's the word? I don't, oblige? Oh, that's not the word. Let me ask Siri. I swear my Siri didn't work. Literally a week ago it didn't work. Anyways, hey Siri, what does oblige mean? Make someone legally or morally bound to an action or course of action. This is definitely not what I was trying to say. I've been trying to update my playlist. I just need more songs. Like, okay, I update my playlist just randomly whenever I feel like. I added a whole bunch of SZA songs from her Control album today. Naomi, she put me onto the song. It's by Summer Walker, Session 32. These pants are really good. I bought them at Walmart. Anyway, let me stay on topic. Me and R&B are like this, so I can't do any of the other genres of music. I like old rap though. I just can't do new rap. There are only a few new rap songs that I like, but J. Cole and what's his name, Kendrick Lamar, I could do. Their style of rap is good. All that auto-tune stuff is just, I don't know, I just can't do it. I don't know if y'all know, last semester, me and Brent, I really connected to his music. He's been my favorite artist for like 3 months now. I'm going to his concert actually. I have terrible sheets because I don't know how post Houston works. It's just trial and error. I was like, what is that sound? Me and my mom are going to his concert. Favorite song by him is What You Heard. Role Model is pretty good. So we're about to take some pictures by this North Dakota sign.
Why you get stressing just to take a couple of pictures?
I can't smile.
Why you can't smile?
I can't smile right.
That's your fault for not smiling.
That's what I said. Who is Ice Spice? She blew up on TikTok like 8 months ago, or in August, and she made a name for herself really quickly. We're gonna bring the Texas here to North Dakota. Ryland, listen, I call it North Carolina because who the heck knows where North Dakota is?
Right above North Carolina. I mean, I know.
Oh, exactly. Is this One Direction?
No.
Oh. Look, Sean, man. Oh, Sean, you got that on. You got it on, Sean. Uh-oh. Hold on, give me. Let me do him. You got me right. Don't do him like that, right? Don't do him like that. Hold on. Did you know Bryson Tiller had kids?
What?
He has 2 daughters. Why do I have dog hair on me? I see it.
He's coming around.
Guys, we are about to go out and sightsee some more. Let's go. So I had these shoes, right? But like I've been looking over in the city and like I feel like if I took pictures from my Instagram, it just wouldn't go. So that's why I changed to my New Balances. So now I'm very neutral, taking the pictures with the headphones, cause you know, like I'm gonna get my money's worth out of these. So I might as well take some pictures. That's the outfit.
your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box where the owners do. A boss is a road that I've grown into. I love you to death, but I told you the truth. I can't just be with you.
We're at this car show, and I just got some food from the food truck. It's called Artaban. Probably butchered that name, but I got some like Hennessy wings with jollof rice. My dad is not African at all, and you could just tell. I'm Nigerian. My mom is Nigerian. She's born in Nigeria. He said Joe Loaf. Joe Loaf is crazy. I mean, that's how it's spelled, but it's not how it's said.
Okay, we'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, we'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, we'll see what's about to happen. Hey, we'll see what's about to happen. Hey, we'll see what's about to happen. I'm making a change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your change.